doubting just because I said no to your Abasi. No, it's actually correct, guys. By the word of their testimonies, and that's what we are doing. We are building points of references, and that point of reference is always going to point back to God and how far He has brought us in.
Hi everybody, my name is Abasi.
My name is Tisa Bota.
We are having a bonfire.
So why aren't you here? Like Pastor Clay says all the time, if you don't go, you won't know. As we've now known marshmallows.
I think for someone who's living in Livingston, far away from home, I feel it's extremely important because it makes me feel like I belong to it.
And burning them on the fire.
So the highlight of the night for me was when Wika was asking us questions from the Bible. I swear, like, I won, but I didn't know most of the answers. I'm just happy I won.
Although about the games, they would have been funner if the questions were easier, that is.
In the part about those questions, weaker.
Yeesh, these things, it's, yeah, man.
My take home is
moving defeats motivation. It's best for you to move than to keep being motivated.
We had games, and we also did, I don't know if that was a quiz, but I liked it. Although Abasi was getting all of the points, but yeah, it was fun.
Really interesting because it's through the Bible. There were a lot of questions I didn't even know were in the Bible and stuff.
yeah.
If you're not here, you missed out.
The bonfire was amazing.
It's been exciting.
It was nice.
The night was fun.
Oh, the bonfire was fun.
Unexpectedly amazing though.
It was fine. It was exciting, amazing.
But you know, me have a complaint. The fire, so small.
It was nice and exciting. It was good. It's actually a good activity for us used to interact with one another.
It's encouraging and makes me feel like I'm part of something bigger than just my job.
So I'm from toasting my marshmallows. I want to put them on my crackers so that I can eat some s'mores.
Candolo, good object.
It's not always about going out. It's about what you do out there. And us as Calvary youths, we are saying we can do God's work in many different ways.
We had to interact, play games.
So yeah, we'll continue inviting people and I hope they'll be interested to come for this event.
The bonfire was great. It was super exciting. There was so much going on. I can't wait to have more events like this and I wish more youth would come and participate.
Why could you move back a bit? Marshmallow.
Well, basically just the social interactions that we all had, you know, getting to know one.
It is nice to be here at Calvary Church, for the Bible says do not stop the habit of meeting together.
Okay, so basically I attended the bonfire for the youth, and what I've experienced is that the youths had a good time. So I believe parents should send their children over for such events and encourage them more to attend such events so that they get to know that church is not boring.
So I'm excited and thank you for the youth ministry for making this possible. Hi everyone. So we had an amazing time at the bonfire. There was so much laughter, so much joy that was spread. And I would like to shout out a special thank you to Tibale for the transportation, Mami Mkunta for transportation and other logistics, Lydia for cutlery, the church at Calvary, of course, for giving us this space and allowing us to just have fun amongst ourselves and just spend so much time with one another. And most of all, I want to say thank you to each and everybody that came. You guys are the best. Hope to see you next time.